Are they helium balloons?
Yeah,
I told you, the cars are helium balloons.
It's too late.
Oh, we're flying away.
I promised it won't happen again. It's not gonna happen. No need to attack the paper. I'm very relaxed. I'm good to go. I can't help myself, shit!
Son, get away from him. His people killed Uncle Harambe. Humans are sneaky as fuck.
Hey! Don't touch me!
Long live the king.
Microsoft Flight Simulator 2000. Let's fly over New York City.
John, you just about crashed into the Empire State Building.
Hey, that would be cool.
What if I want to have sex before I get married?
Well, I guess you just have to be prepared to die.
Slow down, minion. If you drink too fast, you get bellyache.
Guts, glory.
Wham.
Yo, this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Legacy of the Duelist. Just came out today. I've been playing it a bit. It's pretty goddamn fucking fantastic, especially if you're a fan of Yu-Gi-Oh! And the best Yu-Gi-Oh! The early gen Yu-Gi-Oh! Because you can actually do the whole story that the show followed. So I actually just finished fucking Duelist Island or Duelist Kingdom, whatever the fuck it was. I beat Pegasus. So now I'm in the Battle City, and I'm gonna beat the shit out of this fucker right here. It's always better to go second because you can't attack on your first turn. All right, fucking, that's great. What? Are you fucking kidding me?
If you like salads, fuck you. I hate salads. I'm gonna put a razor in your salad.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Fuck you, Baltimore!
If you're dumb enough to buy a new car this weekend,
You're a big enough schmuck to come to Big Bill Hell's Cars!
bad deal.
Cars that break down!
Thieves.
If you think you're gonna find a bargain at Big Bill,
You can kiss my ass.
it's our belief that you're such a stupid motherfucker!
You'll fall for this bullshit.
Guaranteed!
If you find a better deal,
Shove it up your ugly ass!
you heard us right.
Shove it up your ugly ass!
Bring your tray.
Bring your title!
Bring your wife.
We'll fuck her!
That's right, we'll fuck your wife.
Because at Big Bill Hell,
You're fucked 6 ways from Sunday.
take a hike
to Big Bill Hell.
home of challenge pissing!
That's right.
Challenge pissing!
How does it work?
If you can piss 6 feet in the air straight up and not get wet,
You get no down payment.
don't wait!
Don't delay.
Don't fuck with us or we'll rip your nuts off!
Only at Big Bill Hell.
The only dealer that tells you to fuck off!
Hurry up, asshole.
This event ends the minute after you write us a check!
And it better not bounce or you're a dead motherfucker.
Go to hell!
Big Bill Hell's Cars.
Baltimore's filthiest!
And exclusive on one of the meanest sons of bitches in the state of Maryland.
Guaranteed!
Rabbi was shot in the chest. Prosecutors say Charles fired the shot with a .40 caliber and have DNA linking him to the crime. In addition, a witness provided this sketch. Police are still looking for others. To the perpetrators.
So, you finally arrived here to save Prince? I've been waiting for... Stop skipping my dial. Seriously, stop. Motherfucker!
We want our dick back! We want our dick back! We want our dick back! We want our dick back!